Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, we will talk about the evolution of stay experience post-COVID-19. Our humankind has continued to evolve itself over centuries to fight new challenges and overcome any hurdles. COVID-19 is just another perfect example of mankind's fight for survival. The beauty of evolution is that it just doesn't bring in change, but it also helps us in discovering our untapped potential and skills. While the hospitality industry stands strong, as we experience new openings in the market, let's talk about the evolution of guest stay experiences. Number 1. Arrival experience. Connections will be made less physical and more emotional. Traditional handshake offerings will be replaced by a warm hand-on-the-heart greetings. Travel services to the hotel will experience enhanced sanitization skills wherein each and every vehicle will be equipped with sufficient supplies of mask, gloves, fragrant hand sanitizer and sprays, disposable face mists that will uplift the arrival experience. While the bellhop trolleys will experience a periodic sanitization cycle post every usage, the arrival doors to the hotel building will experience an upgradation to no-touch, feet-sensitive operations. The idea of every hotel's first impression to their guest will become hygienic, caring, and nourishing luxury experience. Arrival offerings for refreshments will be curated around local vitality drinks and immunity boosters. Number 2. Check-in and check-out experience. Digital QR code or mobile keys will replace the standard magnetic keys. Pre-arrival check-in formality completion will be promoted, and standard pen and paper registration will be replaced with direct access through mobile registration. Reception or front desk counters will be thoroughly sanitized throughout the day, featuring floor markings for social distancing and glass panels for safe interactions. In order to maintain a contactless billing experience, bills could be previewed over mobile devices and payments could be approved through cardless transactions with digital advancements. Number 3. The in-house experience. Enhanced cleaning and sanitization standards will be implemented by using electrostatic sprays and UV light disinfectants while turning around the rooms between the stays. In-house amenity kits will also be provided, inclusive of sanitizer sprays and disinfecting wipes. Digitalization of non-essential and reusable items will be promoted, such as books, magazines, hotel directory, menus, etc. Concierge services will also be elevated through city and sightseeing virtual tours, printed maps replaced by digital copies, and in fact offering a facility to have an in-house application that will become a one-stop shop for all the guest needs on their mobile devices. Number 4. Dining and meeting experience. Introduction of improvised floor plans with limited seating and more emphasis on restaurant reservations to have a seamless execution. Menu digitalization with images and short videos focusing on a healthy lifestyle through inclusion of nutritional ingredients. Implementation of strict food safety protocol and limitation on self-service options and modification in buffet displays. Promoting on-the-move counters to offer ready-to-eat and take-away options. Frequent sanitization over high-contact surfaces and elimination of table linen. Number 5. Recreational experience. Pre-booking appointments will be promoted to regulate the flow and ensure deep cleaning between the sessions. Access to facilities such as beaches, pools, gymnasiums will be limited to a given number at any point in time in order to have a better crowd control. Physical distancing and sanitization will continue to remain the matter of priority while planning the layout for equipment, benches, sunbeds, shared and rental facilities, etc. Number 6. For overall hotel service experience, the following points will be considered. Higher frequency of cleaning, installation of sanitization stations throughout the hotel, utilization of protective gear by the staff, inclusion of cleanliness training programs to improve awareness, redesigning and modification of floor plans at each guest contact area in order to mitigate any transmission. Thank you for watching this little evolution journey with me. Let us together embrace this change and become a part of the new normal.